Hi everyone, my new course and new batch on Unacademy Plus has already started for all the aspirants of sociology irrespective of what exam you are preparing for. So do not delay anymore. Subscribe now to Unacademy Plus NTA NET category with the referral code Antarachak. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share all my videos and help all your friends.
Hi, I am Dibya Tripathi. I cleared my JRF in my first attempt with a score of 206 in my third semester. I am currently pursuing my masters in sociology from Banaras Hindu University. So my strategy was basically I followed Antara ma'am for paper 2. I followed her plus classes, her YouTube sessions, MCQ sessions, special classes, everything. I followed her in every platform possible, and I practiced those and revised those MCQs regularly, the notes regularly. And for paper 1, I followed Talveer Singh sir. I followed his classes very religiously too. And the most important thing what I learned from the whole journey of this preparation was that you need to be very consistent with your preparation. You can't break it in between. You have to keep it in touch. You have to balance it out. You have to do both the papers equal with equal importance. You can't avoid your weak areas. You need to face your weak areas as a challenge. I did the same. My weak areas was DI and maths. So initially it was a bit problematic to solve maths so fast, but gradually when you start practicing, you get a good hold upon that. And I started with maths, then I moved to DI and RC. I kept it a regular practice, and for the GK static part of sociology, I used highlighters. I used sticky notes a lot. I used to stick it around my room where I was sitting or studying or having my dinner or breakfast, so that I can see it regularly. So these are the small things I did, and I completely followed educators, Antara ma'am, very religiously. With very serious efforts I tried to, and I kept both the papers with equal practice, equal revision, because completing the syllabus takes you around 3 to 4 months. After that you get 2 months, so you can revise it, you can practice, and I did a one week study plan, because that was very helpful for me. A soft timetable of the whole syllabus, both paper 1 and paper 2. I tried to move everything in front of my eyes throughout the week, 7 or 8 days. So I completely did the things, and I wanted to wish all the best to all of you for the future upcoming aspirants for NET JRF exams. Thank you so much.